Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the relative strength indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the relative strength indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 34 different strategies, with 9 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 441 indicators, with 181 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Alright, so, and keep in mind that when I say tested indicators, so we test them on the Forex market, but all of these indicators can be just as easily used on Forex, regular stocks, cryptocurrency, pretty much whatever you want. In some cases, the indicators work better on crypto and stocks. And so, all right, so today's indicator is the relative strength indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so the setup on this is relatively simple. If I scroll back here a little bit more, you can see how it shifts from this really nice vibrant green color to this nice red color here, basically a zero line indicator. And so the setup on this is pretty much like most zero line indicators that we have tested. When we get the cross down below the zero line to red, we are going to go short. When we get the cross from the zero up above the zero to the green, then we are going to go long. So not much to it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so our first signal right here was a long. You can see that we went from red, switched up to green there for just a moment. And unfortunately, pretty bad timing. Immediately, we had a strong push to the downside. That would have stopped us out as we got a signal to the downside, a short signal there. That one, though, we enter in on here, And you can see that one gets us to take profit pretty easily there. So not too bad so far. We're at about a 50-50. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we got this this push to the upside right here. Got the cross from red to green. Enter there on that one. Gets us to take profit as well. So, all right, before we add these up, obviously there was only a couple of them. Now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading indicators, trading strategies, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts, multiple different time frames, exactly where they are entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And the patrons love being able to follow along with those trades themselves in their own accounts. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. Shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones are losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to the full list of strategies that we have tested. Shows exactly which ones were winners and losers and their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those strategies. And one new thing that we've been doing here recently is our admin Rob has been posting everyday scanner alerts. These are crypto and forex scanner alerts. These are his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. And so every time he gets an alert to one of his scanners, he will post it in the channel for all the patrons to see and for everyone to take advantage of those great trading opportunities. So there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Highly recommend it. All right, so this one's pretty straightforward here. You can see obviously there that we get 3 trades altogether, and we get 2 winners. So that is going to make it to the 60%. Not a wonderful amount of trades in a year. Definitely need more trades in 1 year's time. But you know, to be fair, we put these ones on the winning list. They'll probably be weeded out later on down the road. But you know, its accuracy could hold up on a lower time frame. Not really sure. I'd have to play around with it a little bit more. Seems pretty stable. But yeah, for now, like I said, it will go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.